Well, hello YouTube, how's it going? Today we will be opening a Flesh and Blood booster display, Tales of Aria. I was looking for a bit to actually get into this and get a bit more detail, but I thought, yeah, what the heck? I just looked for kind of affordable display and try to avoid spoilers as usual. I'm trying to have a fresh perspective here, and yeah, I'm glad you joined me. So if I'm missing anything, this is new for me. I like TCGs, I like trading cards. There's a lot of videos displaying this on the channel. And yeah, I've seen some rares, I mean, rarities, but single cards, I try to avoid spoilers. So let's see if we can get some decent cards in here, and you can tell me if I missed anything. Um, are you enjoying the game? Are you thinking about getting into the game? I know since, Lorcana and Star Wars Unlimited popped up last year, um, we have some more variation. I guess some of the TCGs are taking a hit, and as seen with MetaZoo, is Flesh and Blood also suffering, or is this still a stable TCG? And yeah, you can tell me, why is this, in your opinion, superior to the other ones? And I think about getting into it, about playing it, so maybe I will look out for some starter decks, something like this, to get into it. But for this video, I thought it was kind of fun, just with fresh eyes, to open a display here. We do have 24 packs in here. Usually, of course, you can draft this on draft night. So never attend one of those before. Yeah, I'm still looking for it. But yeah, I heard good things. So let's get into it, and I will show you what's inside. As always, kind of exciting, and I like being surprised. And yeah, when I get a starter deck, I will review this on the channel. I did this with Star Wars Unlimited stuff and MTG. So let's see. So this is our display. I mean, the artwork looks great at first glance. Bit more fantasy like, but I like it. Not like Force of Will as colorful, but so far I like this. Yeah, and it's unlimited, whatever that may mean. But we do have our display here. Let's take a look at the pack. So James White created the game. I will check out the homepage. 15 cards, so similar to Magic the Gathering. I guess this is good value, of course. And yeah, let me know if there's some other games by James White I need to check out. Always appreciated. So before we start, of course, please subscribe to the channel. It's free, helps me grow. It's always appreciated. So off we go. First pack. So Earthler Search. This reminds me a bit, the cards itself, of the. It reminds me of the Warhammer TCG. I've opened some displays on the channel, so not too keen on the design, but I mean, it fits for the fantasy theme. So Earthlore Surge, and sorry for butchering the names. Entwine Ice. I'm not sure about if this is the rarity. Let's see. Heaven's Claws, Winter's Wrath, Ball Lightning, Sigil of Suffering, so they did change here. So I will divide those. We have a moon and we have the arrowhead flash. So you have a lightning action. I guess when you play Magic, you will pick this up quite easily. We have a reverse foil. No, it's a regular foil. It's just this part isn't foiled. Cold foil. So not as shiny, but I hope the cards won't crease here. Entangle is our first foil. We do have a Mark of Lightning. So we are going a bit back and forth. So let's see. I will figure this out down the road. Dazzling Crescendo, like the artwork here. Of course, you need the artist credits, right? Yeah. Stir the Wildwood. Entangle Regular. Chilling Ice Vein. Singling Steel Blade. I guess these are the cost of the card. And back to Embodiment of Lightning and Emerging Avalanche. Yeah, still a bit stumped here. This could be something bigger. These are the hit points, right? These are the costs. So yeah, I'm excited to get into new stuff. Not really sure on the rarity here. Maybe I'm missing something. Just let me recap a bit. So this is a T here. This is an R. So this is our rarity. So we have a rare. We have a T. We have a rare again. Common, common. So this is part of the gameplay. Common, common, common. There you go. No uncommons. Two rares. This is also common. And T. Okay, not bad. Moving on. Electrify. Winter's Bite. Shock Striker. Invigorate. Mulch. Evergreen. I like the card. Wouldn't mind foil of this one. Looks great. Sigil of Suffering. So we have a rare foil, Frostfang. I like this card. Yeah. Yeah, that's a neat card. Great looking. Crackerjack, Blizzard Bolt, Singeing Steel Blade, sorry. Glacial Footsteps, Dazzling Crescendo again. Mechanic, Shockwave, Entangle, and we do have a Briar T rarity. Or is it a token? Yeah, it's a token. So I fooled myself a bit, but we have tokens. That's really rare cards. And it seems that we do have a foil in each pack. I appreciate this. I love like foil cards. Earthloss Search, and yeah, I'm trying to figure out what they did here. Okay, so this is our first foil here in the pack. Ragamuffin's Head, Chilling Ice Vein, Stir the Wildwood, Thump, Frazzle, I like the artwork here, Bramble Spark. It's a lot of text on here, and it's not just flavor text. So it seems we can get a bit deeper here. Emerging Avalanche, Embodiment of Earth is our rare token. Earthlow Surge, Heaven's Claws, Elemental Action is the Entwine Ice, Winter's Grasp, So Tomorrow. Yeah, these seem pretty fantasy-like. Bolton Shot, Ranger, And we do have lightning press, also rare. So it seems like this is kind of a bigger set. Not sure about variation of the artwork, but I don't mind. That means we have a decent amount of single cards, lightning surge. Let's see if I can figure this out here. I can't. So yeah, it's kinda weird. Okay, so let's try this again. Here's our token. I didn't realize these are tokens because they look kinda neat. So this is our common foil, Shock Striker. Decent card. I like the various borders. It's a neat addition. Rotten Old Buckler. Flake Out would be a great foil card. Vela Fish. Strength of Sequoia. Buzz Bolt. Rites of Replenishment. Snow Under. Lightning Surge. Polar Blast. Entwine Lightning. Autumn's Torch. Icy Encounter. Snapshot is our first rare. And Frost Fang is our second rare. So here you can see the difference. Yeah, nice. I like the card. So no uncommons here. So we do have common rare. Of course, the token rarity. Okay. So it seems like you will have 2 rares in each pack. So I will do it like this. We do have our Electrified Foil, common. Runaways, Equipment, Overflex, Inspire Lightning. I really like the borders. Mulch, Blizzard Bolt, Arcanic Shockwave, Glacial Footsteps, Embodiment of Lightning, Shock Striker, Icy Encounter, Rejuvenate, beautiful card, Break Ground, we have a Blizzard Bolt. So our rares is Weave Ice and Rites of Lightning. So at first glance, I mean, I'm not too keen on the artwork. It looks a bit generic most often. There's a lot of commons, so I'm not really sure why we don't have uncommons. So rare is the uncommon slot. It seems so super packed. Not sure on this, but I kind of like the design. The borders are pretty. So I'm not mad on this. So we do have a Rites of Lightning again, this time as a foil. So second rare foil, Amulet of Ice, Dazzling Crescendo, Singeing Steelblade, Entangle, Chilling Ice Vein, Stir the Wildwood, Merging Avalanche, Embodiment of Earth is our token, Ball Lightning, Burgeoning, Entwine Earth, Chill to the Bone, Ice Action, Emerging Avalanche. So there's a lot of duplicates here. I can already tell. Weave Lightning, Biting Gale, these are our rares. Yeah. Okay, so this time I will do it like that. Most importantly, Code of Frost. So tomorrow, Winter's Bite, Invigorate, electrify. See, there's no variation here. So a lot of duplicates, but it seems that we do have a set of more than 200 cards. Frazzle, and you know, I'm not keen on duplicates in one pack. Bramble Spark, Thump. I mean, maybe Flake Out when you create the deck or during draft. Maybe it's good to have duplicates in a pack, but on the collecting side, not so much. Vela Flash, Strength of Sequoia, Briar is our token. Weave Earth is our rare. Terra Thunder, so it seems we do have a mythic card, and we do have Rejuvenate, really beautiful card, so I don't mind this one. This looks pretty. I'm fine with that. So our first bigger card, let me know if I did good. Is the secondary market a thing here, or is this just for playing and collecting? And yeah, values are not a thing here. Earthlore Surge, Heaven's Claws, Entwine Eyes. I like the card, the design. Winter's Grasp, Entwine Lightning, Sutcliffe's Sweet Heights, Buzzbold, Rites of Replenishment. So we do have a few rights here in this set. Snow Under. So I guess this is attack, this is defense, makes sense. Overflex, Inspire Lightning, Mulch, our token, Embodiment of Lightning, Explosive Growth. I like this card. Summerwood Shelter, these are our rares. And Mulch, of course, we also need it in foil. Neat card though. So the foiling I like, actually. Not that bad. So yeah, sorry if I flashed something, but now there's no other way. Lightning Surge, Polar Blast, Entwine Lightning, Autumn's Torch, Chill to the Bone, Runaways, Blizzard Bolt, Arcanic Shockwave, Glacial Footsteps. Neat card. Dazzling Crescendo, Singeing Steelblade, Entangle, Oldham. Okay. Like myself, I can relate. Turn Timber Rare. Do have a mythic Flash Freeze. Pretty card. But there's a lot of text. Man. And our foil is Snow Under. So yeah, I'm not sure. So I think adding uncommons and have one rare like Magic does would be great, because you will have a lot of dupes in here. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Shock Striker, Icy Encounter, Rejuvenate, Break Ground, Buzzbolt, Plume of Evergrowth, Chilling Ice Vein, Stir the Wildwood, Emerging Avalanche, Frazzle, Bramble Spark, Strength of Sequoia, Briar is our token, Icequake is our rare, Cold Wave another one, and So Tomorrow. I don't mind this, really pretty card. There you go. So it seems to me it's more on the heavy on the spell side, I would say, as a first impression. So not that creature heavy. Ball Lightning, Burgeoning, Invigorate, cool looking card. Chill to the Bone, Inspire Lightning, Deep Blue, Flake Out, Vela Flash, Thump, Buzz Bolt, Rites of Replenishment, Snow Under. This is our token, Embodiment of Earth. We have an Embolden rare, Bolton Shot rare, and Icequake foil. This is also rare. So we are halfway through. There's stuff I like. I'm not that excited, so I'm glad I managed to get a good price on these. So tomorrow, Winter's Bite, Entwine Earth, but I will be able to have a complete opinion on this when I play this. Electrify, Winter's Bite, Cracker Jacks, Equipment, Blizzard Bolt, Inspire Lightning, Mulch, Overflex, Arcanic Shockwave, Glacial Footsteps, Seismic Surge token, Evergreen, I like this one. Seek and Destroy seems to be mythic. And we do have a mythic Flash Freeze foil that's kind of neat looking. Here you go. Of course, I prefer the foil. So let's see, you go there. So first mythic foil, I guess, as experience with Magic shows, this is it for the box. Let's see if we can get a bit more out of here. Lightning Surge, Entwine Lightning, Polar Blast, Autumn's Torch, Flake Out, Amulet of Earth, Frazzle Dazzle, Bramble Spark, Strength of Sequoia, Flick Out again. This I don't like. Fish. I mean, of course, Thumb, you will have duplicates, but in the same pack, yeah, that's a big no-no for me. Seismic Surge, Lightning Press rare, Snapshot rare. I like the artwork here. And Summerwood Shelter, rare foil. So decent pack, but yeah, duplicates in one pack is really big turn off for me. Shock Striker, Invigorate, Icy Encounter, Break Ground, Earthworm Surge, Honing Hood, Buzz Bolt, Rites of Replenishment, Snow Under, Blizzard Bolt, Arcanic Shockwave, Mulch, Briar is our token. So I mean, the token looked really decent. Frostfang regular, Weave Eyes, and Heaven's Claws looks great. So I like the foil cards here. And also it's kind of weird to me that the token is the artwork on even though it's great artwork, but yeah, it's a token artwork. I don't really get why. Ball Lightning, Rejuvenate, Burgeoning. So I will skip through these comments a bit because there's a lot of duplicates. Yeah, Entangle. So Embodiment, we've seen you before. Explosive Ground rare. Weave Lightning and Cinching Steel Blade as a foil. Three, there you go. Entwine Earth, So we've seen a lot of those. Mark of Lightning, Aura. Yep. So even the sequence seems to be like Deja Vu. Lexi is our token. Biting Gale, rare. So we do have a mythic here. Channel Mount, Heroic. And Twine Eyes. Looks pretty. At least so. And I know there's like legendary stuff in here in the game. But man, that's a lot of commons. Yeah. So far, not a fan, but maybe if we hit something big, I'm as easy as that. Breakground, Snow Under, Blizzard Bolt, Spire Lightning, you know the drill. Ultim, I like this, so this will be my token. Weave Earth, pretty card. Cold Wave, both rares. Rejuvenate, pretty looking foil. Moving on. Chill to the Bone. Amulet of Ice, not sure if we have this. Arcanic Shockwave. Stir the Wildwood. Lexi again. Summerwood Shelter. So we've seen this as a foil. Turn Timber, rare. Flake Out. Pretty sure we've pulled this already. Okay, come on. I can feel we can do better. We can. Okay, Winter's Grasp. Let's get these out of the way. Plume of Evergrowth. Flake Out regular. So let's see. I've seen something. Ice Quake and Embolden. We do have a. Is this a foil? Yeah, it's a foil. Legendary. For equipment. So yeah, not bad. Legendary foil. I'll take it any day. So you don't need this anymore. Final packs. There you go. Is this a good one to pull? I'm a bit skeptical because it's equipment like an artifact. They can be pretty cool artifacts. So yeah, let me know. We did good here. And since the common stack is growing steadily, I will put these here, but these are still common. I don't want this to topple over. Bolt and Shot, we've put this before. Evergreen rare and Autumn's Touch foil. So I guess this is the big hit. Shock Strike, Amulet of Lightning, Glacial Footsteps, see this one. So it seems, yeah, we only pull duplicates now. Lexi, Sigil of Suffering. We have a mythical Ice Storm. Decent card. And we do have an Explosive Growth rare foil. So at least the rest of the box is coming through a bit. Twine Eyes, ball lightning, break ground, thump, frazzle dazzle, and you know the sequence again. Bit weird. Lexi Live Wire, I like her. Cool token. Rites of Lightning, Lightning Press, and Stir the Wildwood. Common foil. Overflex. Yeah, we will have some play sets here for sure. Oh, Tim again. Snapshot, Flash, Rare, and Burgeoning Foil. Final pack. Let's see if we can pull something exciting. Aside from a lot of comments. Cracked Bauble token. Weave Ice. Blossoming Spellblade, Mythic. And we do have a rare Biting Gale. So it seemed like the rare ones, the foil ones, were mostly part of packs where we had mythics. So I will spare you guys the rare. So yeah, as a recap, not really that excited. I like some of the cards. There's a lot of duplicates. We do have duplicates in the same pack. I don't like this at all. Artwork is mostly a bit generic, which is, you know, fine for the fantasy theme. Yeah, not sure on this if I will get another display, but I will give this a chance while playing it, so I will pick up a starter deck sooner or later. But yeah, I'm glad we did this together. I like checking out new stuff, and yeah, just going to give you a bit of a recap. I will not go through the rare ones. So Mythic, we had a few, but I think the Mythic spot is the rare spot, right? So these are regular Mythics. We do have some rare foils. I guess this is worth mentioning. So we do have one foil Mythic, and we do have one foil Legendary. I like this. So this is the big hit of the display. Let me know if I did good. And as always, I am trying to keep the channel as random as possible. So I like delving into new stuff. Let me know what I should check out, what I'm missing, what's not featured on the channel, and I should look into. And yeah, thanks again for joining. Please like, share, subscribe, and also turn on the notifications so you won't miss the next video. Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.